Get better performance from your DeWalt portable bandsaw with the MK Morse 18 TPI Portaband blade. This game-changing American-made blade resists tooth stripping and will reduce vibrations, thus producing a cleaner, ready-to-weld finish when cutting. This quality American-made Portaband will give you versatility and confidence to take on any job. The 32 and 7/8 inch long Portaband blade will fit DeWalt and excel in cutting materials from a 14 gauge to an 1/8 of an inch thick. The 18 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 18 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order. And we also offer an extensive line of sawing products. We sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all of your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.